Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Healthcare Tips and Tricks by Payam Bora. Today, we have one of the most sincere, one of our shining stars, Mr. Bimaneshwar Biswas, in this podcast. He's the first person from our coaching who has achieved a successful internship in the clinical research domain. So, first, the course. How was the course, and what are your feedbacks upon the course?
That's really good. That's actually helps me a lot. So that's
Okay.
why I'm taking.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Healthcare Tips and Tricks by Payam Bora. Today, we have one of the most sincere, one of our shining stars from the course of Pharmacovigilance and Clinical Research, Mr. Bimaneshwar Biswas, in this podcast because he has successfully achieved, and he's the first person from our coaching who has achieved a successful internship in the clinical research domain. So, first of all, Bimaneshwar, welcome and heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the first question to you: what made you enroll in this course by PVC and Pharmify on CR, CDM, and PV? Why did you join this course?
So basically, I joined because my interest is already over here. To, I want to learn about the CR rules and CDM and PV. So that's why I'm knowing about
Okay,
this. Then I
wonderful. So now you went for the internship. What were the things that you did you face an interview? What was your CV? Tell us something about your journey to get this internship.
basically I will talking about the Nia ma'am. She was immensely support me through these days.
Yes,
She told me that these kind of things you should learn, and also thanks to you, sir, you already guiding me already. So that's why I'm successfully did it.
absolutely. And I'd like to let the audience know that Bimaneshwar is one of the most obedient person I've seen because he was present in every class. हर class में मुझे ये दिखता था and he was very interactive. मतलब उसको था कि he wants to do something, and Neha, she's one of our faculty members and also the course coordinator for the CR course as one of the, she has successfully helped him. So I'm very glad to hear that, Bimaneshwar. When we talk about your journey, about the course, how was the course and what are your feedbacks upon the course?
That's really good. That's actually helps me a lot. So that's
Okay,
why I'm taking
that's wonderful.
this.
So tell us about something about the internship. Where is it? What role is it? And what exactly are you targeting ahead?
Specifically, they are not talking about the role. So
Okay,
they are taking as an intern. So there
okay,
are various role are there over here. So
okay.
currently they are asking about the norms question like GCP, GLP, and ICH guidelines
Uh, Correct, correct,
about
correct.
EGCI and
Uh,
CPQ files. So
okay.
these are
That's
basic.
wonderful. So I hope that we had modules on ICH, GCP and all. So definitely you would be able to answer that successfully.
Yes.
And where is the internship?
It's actually in Kolkata, Fortis
Kolkata
Kolkata.
only. Okay,
Located
one
near
of the
Anand.
very big hospitals. Fortis is a big name. So that's wonderful. Congratulations to you. So Bimaneshwar, anything that you like to tell our audience that about the PVCR CDM? Why should they enter into these domains? And any motivational words or success mantra from your end?
I don't have that kind of knowledge about to
Okay.
motivate someone, but I can tell them that uh, already we have those kind of teachers which are supporting us and who are continue guide us. So we should follow and already we should study about the norms and should follow the teachers and follow the all classes.
Definitely.
Then we
Thank you
can.
so much. Thank you so much, Bimaneshwar, for your kind words. Wishing you a great future and a career ahead. And definitely, we'll make sure that whatever can be done from our end, we do it for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.